Are you an independent restaurant owner? You ever wonder why the big chain restaurants make more money than you do? I think it just comes down to one simple task, and it applies to the back of the house managers and their staff, and the front of the house managers and their staff.
Have you ever wondered why chain restaurants seem to be more profitable than independent restaurants? It's a question that puzzles many. The answer lies in the numbers. According to the National Restaurant Association's Industry Operations Report, there's a striking disparity in net income. Independent restaurants, as a collective, average a net income before income taxes of just 5 to 7% of total sales. On the flip side, chain restaurants paint a different picture. They report a net profit of roughly 2 to 3 times that of independent establishments. That's 10 to 15% of sales at the restaurant level before even factoring in corporate overhead and financing costs. Quite a difference, isn't it? But the question remains, why are chain restaurants so much more profitable than independent ones? What's the secret sauce that's making these chains outperform their independent counterparts? Restaurants lies in one crucial aspect: systems. So, what's the magic behind these systems? Let's dive in. Systems are like the cogs and gears of a well-oiled machine. They keep everything running smoothly and efficiently. In the realm of chain restaurants, systems play a vital role. They help control costs, reduce waste, train employees, maximize productivity, and most importantly, they ensure a consistent customer experience. It's like having a secret recipe. But this one is not about the ingredients, it's about the process. Now picture a bustling kitchen during peak hours. Without a proper system in place, it's easy for things to go haywire. But with a system, every order is a symphony. Each dish prepared with precision, each employee knowing their part, and each customer served a meal that meets the same high standards every single time. On the flip side, many independent restaurants tend to be less systematic. Their day-to-day operations often rely on the "how we've always done it" approach. While this may have its charm, it often lacks the efficiency and consistency of a well-implemented system. The ability to develop, implement, and ensure the consistent use of effective systems is one of the most valuable skills any independent restaurant operator can have. And that, my friends, is the secret sauce to a thriving restaurant business. What does a system look like in a restaurant setting, you might be wondering? Well, it can be as simple, yet effective, as a checklist for cleaning the restrooms or a set of procedures to follow when checking in a delivery. Imagine this: your staff knows exactly the steps to take when a delivery arrives. They've got a system in place, a checklist to follow, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. No more confusion about where to store the fresh produce or how to record the inventory. Everything is streamlined, efficient, and effective. Or consider the task of restroom cleaning. A detailed checklist ensures that not a single aspect of cleanliness and hygiene is overlooked. The result? Sparkling clean restrooms that leave a positive impression on your customers every single time. Specific procedures might be all you need to speed up your ticket times, improve your portion controls, or ensure that your restrooms are always clean throughout the day. So, you want to improve your restaurant's profitability? It's time to implement some key systems. Don't underestimate the power of a simple checklist or specific procedure. It could be the game changer you need to speed up service, improve portion control, and maintain cleanliness. Hold your people accountable for using these systems. Remember, consistency is key, and it's what your customers value most.